Automation Blocks is an extension for Adobe Premiere Pro which makes automating anything you want in Premiere Pro super easy. It gives you the full power of the Premiere Pro scripting engine, but instead of writing code, you just combine blocks. This script creates a bin with name footage in your current project. Maybe when you start a new project, you always want to create certain bins. So it just duplicates the block and adjusts the folder names. If we run the script, all these bins are created for us. This script looks at all footage items in the bin footage, and if they are used in any sequence so far, it moves them to this sub-bin. Maybe you don't want to move the used footage items, but just want to give them a different label color. So we just take out the Move Project Item block and replace it by the Set Label Color block. Now, with a single click, all the labels of your used footage update. This script first asks you for the beats per minute of your song and then writes beat markers in your timeline. And this script gives every fourth marker of your timeline a different color. YouTube has this great new feature to break up a video into chapters. And here is a script that exports Premiere Pro markers into the format you need to add them as chapters to your YouTube videos. Scripting code can quickly become hundreds of lines of code, but it's a different story with automation blocks. Because I say, if it cannot be done with 10 blocks, nobody will do it. So we created all these high-level blocks that keep away from you all these nasty details and allow you to focus just on what you want to achieve and not the details how. This single block syncs a folder on your hard drive with a bin of your project. If you choose subfolders include, it recreates the entire folder structure inside the project and imports all footage it finds, and even deals with image sequences properly. If you change the content of your folder later, just run the script again. It will only import any new footage and don't re-import a second time what is already in the project. Another big topic is rendering. Maybe you want to export a still image at each marker? Or you want to render each clip that has been used in your sequence as a separate file. Oh, and maybe you want to add 1-second handles for the in and out points? Sure, let me just add this for you real quick. Maybe your project uses some motion graphics templates and you need to translate them all to German. This block searches through all Morgurts in your active sequence and replaces the text My Title by Mein Titel. Just one click and the template text updates. Maybe you have your translations in a spreadsheet? Sure, let's just put this inside a spreadsheet block, and now for each row of the spreadsheet, the text in the first column is replaced by the text in the second one. Again, one click and our text updates based on the spreadsheet data. Automation blocks will change the way how people work with Premiere Pro. And it will add a feature to Premiere Pro that will set it apart from all other NLEs. Thanks for watching.